Bonjour à tous et bienvenue dans cette nouvelle vidéo. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre 50 verbes très importants. Today, we are going to learn 50 most common French verbs. Vous êtes prêts? Alors, c'est parti. Être. Être means to be. Avoir. Avoir means to have. Faire. Faire means to do or to make. Dire. Dire means to say. Voir. Voir means to see. Aller. Aller means to go. Appeler. Appeler means to call or to name. Pouvoir. Pouvoir means to can or be able to. Vouloir. Vouloir means to want. Venir. Venir means to come. Parler. Parler means to speak. Donner. Donner means to give or to donate. Trouver. Trouver means to find or to get. Prendre. Prendre means to take or to pick up. Devoir. Devoir means must or have to. Écrire. Écrire means to write or to spell. Suivre. Suivre means to follow or to come after. Partir. Partir means to leave or to depart. Mourir. Mourir means to die or to pass away. Attendre. Attendre means to wait. Sortir. Sortir means to go out. Vivre. Vivre means to live or to exist. Entrer. Entrer means to enter or to go inside. Chercher. Chercher means to search or to look for. Mettre. Mettre means to put or to place. Passer. Passer means to pass or to transmit. Regarder. Regarder means to watch or to look at. Savoir. Savoir means to know or to be aware. Aimer. Aimer means to like or to love. Finir. Finir means to finish or to end. Rire. Rire means to laugh or to giggle. Recevoir. Recevoir means to receive or to get. Lever. Lever means to raise or to put up. Commencer. Commencer means to begin or to start. Sentir. Sentir means to smell or to feel. Connaître. Connaître means to know. Devenir. Devenir means to become. Marcher. Marcher means to walk or to work. Arrêter. Arrêter means to stop or to interrupt. Arriver. Arriver means to arrive or to reach. Tomber. Tomber means to fall or to fall down. Penser. Penser means to think or to believe. Ouvrir. Ouvrir means to open or to unlock. Entendre. Entendre means to hear. Montrer. Montrer means to show or to point out. Répondre. Répondre means to answer or to reply. Croire. Croire means to believe or to think. Rester. Rester means to stay or to remain. Demander. Demander means to ask or to request. Et tenir. Tenir means to keep or to hold. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Merci et à bientôt.